This is a practice question in arithmetic progressions. The concept tested in this question is applying the formula to compute the nth term of an arithmetic progression. That's the only concept tested. Very easy question. Let's quickly run through it. The 16th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds the 4th term by a 3. So we'll just make sense out of it in the next slide. If the first term is the same as the common difference, determine the AP. What do we mean by determine the AP? Write the first 3 terms of an AP. Tell what is the first term, say what's the common difference, figure out the first 2 or 3 terms of the AP, 3 terms at least, then we know that we have determined the AP. Let's get started. Let's decode the first statement. 16th term of an AP, right, let's say that is A16, exceeds the 4th term by a 3, which means that the 16th term is 3 more than the 4th term. So 16th term is equal to 3 more than the 4th term, or we can rewrite it as A16 minus A4 is equal to a 3. Let's pick the second piece of information after we make sense out of this, right? What is the formula to compute the nth term of an AP? The formula to compute the nth term of an AP is An equals A1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. A1 is the first term, D is the common difference, and n is the nth term that we are talking about. So let's express both A16 and A4 in terms of this formula. So A16 will essentially become A1 plus n minus 1, which is 16 minus 1 times the common difference, minus A4 can be written as A1 plus 4 minus 1 times the common difference. This difference is equal to a 3. So this translates to A1 plus 16 minus 1 is a 15D minus A1, minus gets multiplied here, 3 times is what will we have, minus 3D is equal to a 3. A1 gets cancelled with A1, so what we are left with is 12D is equal to a 3. Let's compute the value of D in the next slide. 12D is equal to a 3, which means that the common difference D is equal to 3 divided by 12, which is equal to 1 by 4. So one part we have found out the common difference. If we compute the first term, then we know what AP we are talking about. The second statement gives us information about that. The first term is the same as the common difference, which essentially means that A1 is equal to D, which is equal to a 1 by 4. So we know the first term, we know the common difference. Let's find out the second and the third term. We are done with this question, right? The second term is equal to the first term A1 plus a common difference. A1 we know is 1 by 4. Common difference is the same 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is the answer, which is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. So second term of this AP is 1 by 2. Let's find out one more term. The third term of the AP is equal to A2, the second term, plus the common difference. A2 is a 1 by 2 or a 2 by 4, that would have been a better way of writing it, plus the common difference, which is 1 by 4. Take 4 as a common denominator, 2 plus 1 will make it as 3. So first term is 1 by 4, second term is 1 by 2, the third term is 3 by 4. So the arithmetic progression we are talking about is 1 by 4, comma 1 by 2, comma 3 by 4. Essentially meaning that A1 equals 1 by 4 and D is also equal to 1 by 4. Right? Straightforward, simple question.
Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. 1, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.